Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. Everything for the most part, well, some of the parts, there has been some changes with the Day 1 Outlook, which I'll get into. First off, the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded. The Storm Prediction Center has issued two slight risk areas today, one covering northwestern New Mexico and southwestern Colorado. A second slate today covers eastern and southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, west central and northwestern South Dakota, and west central and southwestern North Dakota. Cities in today's slate include Rapid City, South Dakota, Farmington, New Mexico, Gillette, Wyoming, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Montrose, Colorado. And this marginal here remains the same otherwise. And in large part, the margin here remains untouched largely, other than the upgrade to a slight. But the Storm Prediction Center has kind of expanded this marginal to include parts of Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. Cities in today's marginals include Billings, Montana, Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Junction, Colorado, and Sierra Vista, Arizona. Going to the tornado threat for today, there still is no tornado threat. Going to the wind now, the 5% wind risk here remains the same, pretty much. And largely the 5% here remains the same, but the Storm Prediction Center has added a 15% wind risk area today covering west central and southwestern North Dakota and parts of western South Dakota for that 15% wind risk area. Okay? Cities in the 15% wind risk today include Dickinson, North Dakota, and Williston, North Dakota. Otherwise, the wind threat remains the same. I'm not going over the 5% because they remain largely the same. Going to the hail for today, this marginal here remains, this 5% hail risk here remains largely the same, but the Storm Prediction Center has added a 15% hail risk today covering northwestern New Mexico and parts of Colorado. And the Storm Prediction Center has added an additional 15% hail risk today covering east central and southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, west central and northwestern South Dakota, and west central and southwestern North Dakota. So, anyway, the 15% hail risk areas today include Rapid City, South Dakota, Farmington, New Mexico, Gillette, Wyoming, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Montrose, Colorado. And finally, this 5% hail risk today remains the same otherwise, but it's been expanded to include parts of Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin. The 5% hail risk areas today include Billings, Montana, Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Grand Junction, Colorado, and Sierra Vista, Arizona. So, in summary, isolated severe storms will be possible today across the Four Corners area and Central Rockies, with an increasing risk for severe storms into the late afternoon and tonight across the northern plains. So, those are the updates I wanted to give. So, anyway, continue to stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will have my Day 2 Outlook when the Storm Prediction Center updates it. Take care.